How to manage post translated language on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage post translated language on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now go down until you find here settings and privacy, and then click settings here, and now go down and you will find here language and region. And now all you need to do is just click here language you would like to have posts translated into. Just click on it and select any language you want, and then just go and click save, and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.